Gentlemen, have you ever noticed that the more you chase a woman, the more she pulls away? It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? What if instead of you chasing her, she starts chasing you? This isn't about tricks, games, or desperate tactics. It's about understanding a powerful philosophy, Stoicism, and how it makes you magnetic, irresistible, and effortlessly dominant in the dating game. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the key to making any woman crave your attention. CHAPTR1 STOPCEKANG HER APPORVL. Most men make the mistake of seeking a woman's validation. They try too hard to impress. They overtext. They overcompliment. And guess what? That's a turnoff. Women don't chase men who need them. They chase men who don't need them. The moment you detach yourself from the need for her approval, you become unpredictable, mysterious, and infinitely more attractive. That's Stoicism 101. Mastering your emotions and being completely unshaken by a woman's reactions. CHAPTR 2. The power of SCARCITY. Think about it. Why are diamonds valuable? Because they're rare. Why do women chase certain men? Because they don't give their attention away so easily. If you're always available, always texting, always trying to please, there's no challenge. But when you control your presence, when you make her wonder where you are and what you're doing, you become the prize. Less attention equals more attraction. CHAPTR 3. Be all and your purpose. Nothing is more attractive to a woman than a man who is focused on his mission. A man who has goals, passions, and is constantly improving himself. When you embody stoic discipline, you show that no woman, not even the most beautiful one, can distract you from your path. And guess what? That's when she starts chasing you. She will crave your attention because she sees you're a man who doesn't settle, who doesn't beg, who doesn't break. And women love a man they can't easily control. Are you starting to see the pattern? CHAPTR 4. Emotional control. The ultimate test. A weak man is controlled by his emotions. A strong man controls his emotions. When a woman tests you, whether by pulling away, being distant, or playing games, the average man reacts emotionally. He gets angry, needy, or insecure. That's a fatal mistake. A stoic man, he remains calm. He doesn't overreact. And that drives women crazy. Why? Because she can't figure you out. She starts wondering, why isn't he chasing me? Why isn't he reacting? And the moment she starts thinking that, she starts chasing you. All right, gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Stop seeking her validation. Make yourself scarce. Stay focused on your mission. Master your emotions. When you apply these principles, you don't have to chase women. They will naturally gravitate towards you. CHAPTR 5. The art of being unavailable. One of the most powerful ways to make a woman chase you is to stop being so accessible. Most men make the mistake of always texting first, always being available, and always responding immediately. Here's the secret. Women desire what they can't have. If you're always around, if she knows she can have you at any time, there's no excitement, no thrill, no mystery. Instead, you must create scarcity. Take longer to respond. Focus on your own life. Let her feel your absence. When she starts wondering where you are, she starts chasing. CHAPTR 6. BCOM a high value man. A woman doesn't chase just any man. She chases a man who stands out. Ask yourself, are you a man that women naturally desire? Do you have a purpose in life? Do you have goals, ambition, and direction? Are you financially independent? Are you constantly improving your physical and mental health? If you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, women will sense it. They'll see your value, and they'll want a part of it. Be the man she wants, not the man who begs for her attention. CHAPTR 7. Silence is your weapon. Here's a psychological trick most men don't know. Silence is power. If a woman is used to men constantly complimenting her, chasing her, and begging for her time, and then she meets you, a man who doesn't give her that instant validation, she becomes obsessed. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting me? Why doesn't he compliment me like other guys? What's so special about him? That curiosity turns into attraction. So, the next time a woman pulls back, don't react. Stay silent. Watch how she comes running back. Chapter or 8. The power of walking away. This is where most men fail. They fear losing a woman, so they tolerate bad behavior, disrespect, and hot and cold games. But here's the rule. A woman will never chase a man who fears losing her. A stoic man understands that walking away is the ultimate display of strength. If a woman isn't showing you interest, isn't treating you right, you must be willing to leave. And here's the paradox. When a woman senses you're willing to walk away, she starts chasing harder. Why? Because now she fears losing you. Chapter 9. Control your emotions. The estoic man's edgy. A woman's biggest test isn't about what you say or what you do. It's about how you react when she challenges you. Women will test you. They'll pull away, ignore your texts, try to make you jealous just to see if you break. A weak man, he reacts. He gets emotional. He starts chasing harder. A stoic man, he stays calm, unshaken, unbothered, and that drives her crazy. The moment she realizes that she can't control your emotions, she becomes obsessed with earning your attention. Be the rock. Be the challenge. Be the man she can't break. The mystery effect. Want to know the ultimate secret to making women chase you uncontrollably? Never reveal everything about yourself. Most men overshare, telling a woman everything about their life, emotions, struggles, and feelings too soon. That kills attraction. Instead, you must be a mystery. Give her just enough to keep her interested, but never the full picture. Let her wonder. Let her guess. Let her invest in figuring you out. And the more she invests, the more she chases. All right, gentlemen, let's recap. Be unavailable. Create scarcity. Become a high-value man. Focus on you. Use silence. Make her crave your attention. Be willing to walk away. She must fear losing you. Master emotional control. Never react emotionally. Stay mysterious. Keep her guessing.